Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to remove odd indexed characters in a given string. So they have given a string something and we need to remove O, which is present at the odd index 1, and E, which is present at the odd index 3, and H, which is present at the odd index 5. So like that we need to remove the odd indexed characters in a given string. So for that we need to implement the code, and I am defining a function odd string, okay, and then I am passing the parameter as string, okay, and then I am leaving here. So calling the function and passing the parameter as something, okay, and I need to remove the odd indexed characters in this. So for that I am taking result is equal to an empty string for storing the even indexed characters, and I am taking one for loop that will iterate through entire string for accessing the each value. So for I in range of length of string, okay, length of string, and then if I mod 2 equal to 0, then result is equal to result plus string of I. We can write like this, okay, and then return result, okay. So I can use print statement here for printing the output, okay. So now I'll execute this one. We'll check the output first. So I'm getting the output as SMTIG, which are even indexed characters after removing the odd indexed characters. So what is happening here? I have initialized a function name as odd string with the parameter string, and I am passing the parameter as something, and I am taking one empty string for storing the even indexed characters, and I have taken one for loop, okay. So for I in range of length of string, here length of the string is 9, because when you count the characters in a given string it will become 9, okay. So now here I value will becomes 0, so I value will becomes here as 0. So it will check 0 mod 2 means if you divide 0 with 2, you need to get the remainder as 0. So in computer language, if you divide 0 with 2, we are getting the output as 0. The first it is true, so we are adding that s to result is equal to result plus string of I. String of I is nothing but string of 0. In string of 0 we are having s, so we are adding that s to the result variable, okay. So now here we will get the output as s, okay, and then I value becomes like 1, okay, I value becomes 1, okay. So now here when 1 mod 2 equal to 0 means if you divide 1 with 2, you won't get remainder as 0, okay. So that is the reason the condition fails and goes back to for loop again, and then I value becomes as 2, okay. So if 2 mod 2 equal to 0, when you divide 2 with 2, you will get the remainder as 0. The condition is true, and then we are adding that value to the result. So result is equal to result plus string of I. String of I value is nothing but 2, okay. Here string of 2 means in 2 we are having m, so we are adding that m to result variable. Here we will get m, okay, and then next I value becomes as 3, okay, 3. When 3 mod 2 equal to 0 means if you divide 3 with 2, you won't get remainder as 0, so the condition fails. Again it will take the I value as 4. Like that it's keep on taking the values from the string, and it will check whether the accessed character is even indexed or odd indexed. If it is even index, then we are adding that element to the result variable, and then we are printing. So like that we can remove the odd indexed characters and we are printing the even indexed characters. So this is how we can remove the odd indexed characters in a given string. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it. Bye bye.